Hello students, today we are going to study circular flow of national income. Before starting with the topic, first you should know what is national income. National income is the total value of all final goods and services produced in a country in a year. Simple language में अगर ले तो national income is the income of the whole nation. National income is the total income of the whole nation. First, macroeconomic concept. When we are talking about the whole nation, it means it is a macroeconomic concept because macro deals with the aggregates, it deals with the whole economy. Second, in national income, only the value of only final goods and services are taken. इसका मतलब सिर्फ फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज की ही वैल्यू नेशनल इनकम में ली जाती है. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, टेक टोमेटो केचप, यानी नेशनल इनकम में सिर्फ टोमेटो केचप की वैल्यू आएगी. यानी टोमेटो केचप बनाने के लिए जो इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स आए हैं लाइक टोमेटोज या फिर प्रिजर्वेटिव्स या लेबर चार्जेस, वो इसमें नहीं आएगा बिकॉज ऑलरेडी टोमेटो केचप की वैल्यू में फाइनल प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू में सभी इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स की वैल्यू आ जाती है. थर्ड, financial year. National income refers for a time period. In India, our financial year starts from 1st April to 31st March. Next, money value. National income is always expressed in monetary terms. It means कि only those goods and services are taken in national income which are exchanged for money. वही goods and services national income में आती है जिसकी money value हो या जो money में exchange किए जाते हैं. Next, circular flow of income determined for. What is circular flow of income is determined for? Afterwards we will study this. First you should know what is circular flow. Circular flow is the process whereby an economy's money receipts and payments flow in a circular manner. Circular flow क्या होता है? जहां पर इकोनॉमी की रिसिप्ट यानी जो इनकम आ रही है एंड पेमेंट दैट इज एक्सपेंडिचर flow in a circular manner, that is known as circular flow of national income. Circular flow of income determined for 2-sector economy, 3-sector economy and 4-sector economy. In 2-sector economy, we have household sector and business firms. 2-sector economy में एक आ जाता है household sector, एक आ जाता है business firm. अगर symbolically देखा जाए तो Y is equals to C plus I, where in economics Y represents income. C stands for private consumption, that is for household sector, and I for private investment, that is for business firms. Next is 3-sector economy. In 3-sector economy, we have household sector, business firms and government sector. Y is equals to C plus I plus G. Y for income, C private consumption, I private investment, and G for government consumption and government investment. Next is 4-sector economy. In 4-sector economy, we have household sector, business firm, government sector and foreign sector, where symbolically Y is equals to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C plus I plus G, private consumption, private investment, government consumption and investment, and X minus M, that is export minus import. मतलब balance of export and import, that is foreign sector. Now we will come to circular flow of national income of 2-sector model. One is household sector and second one is business firm or business sector. यहाँ पे अभी अपन ने देखे 2-sector economy, 3-sector economy, 4-sector economy क्या होता है. But here in circular flow we are going to see 2-sector model of circular flow. One is household sector and one is business sector. The upper half is factor market and lower half represents commodity market. अपर हाफ पोर्शन को फैक्टर मार्केट कहा जाता है, लोअर हाफ पोर्शन को कमोडिटी मार्केट कहा जाता है. क्यों फैक्टर मार्केट? बिकॉज फैक्टर्स आर फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर टू बिजनेस सेक्टर, दैट इज फैक्टर मार्केट अपर पोर्शन, एंड लोअर पोर्शन इज कमोडिटी मार्केट बिकॉज कमोडिटीज आर फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम फर्म्स टू हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर. Now we are going to study circular flow. The outer flow represents product flow. Outer जो flow है, that is by black color, it represents product flow. Product flow में factors like land, labor, capital, entrepreneur are flowing from household sector to business sector. Factors of production, land, labor, already we have studied about factors of production, that is land, labor, capital, entrepreneur are factors of production. They are flowing from household sector to business sector. Business firm use these factors and produce the goods. आफ्टर गुड्स प्रोड्यूस्ड हो गए, ये गुड्स फ्लो होते हैं फ्रॉम बिजनेस सेक्टर टू हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर अगेन. पहले हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर से फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आते हैं, देन फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन से फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे गुड्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं एंड अगेन इट फ्लोज फ्रॉम बिजनेस फर्म्स टू द हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर. ये हो गया प्रोडक्ट फ्लो. आउटर सर्कल हमको प्रोडक्ट फ्लो बताता है कि कैसे प्रोडक्ट पहले हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर से बिजनेस सेक्टर में जाते हैं, गुड्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं एंड देन बिजनेस सेक्टर से आफ्टर प्रोडक्शन गुड्स फ्लो फ्रॉम बिजनेस सेक्टर टू हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर. दिस आउटर सर्कल फ्लो रिप्रेजेंट्स प्रोडक्ट फ्लो. Now we are going to study about inner circle. Inner circle flow represents money flow. Inner circle represents money flow. Here, factors of production like land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, they get their rewards in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit. Factors of production जो household sector से firm sector, business sector की तरफ गए थे, now they will get their reward for work. So they will get reward in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit. Money flow हो रहा है from business sector in the form of reward to the household sector. Now household sector will use this money for consumption expenditure. Household sector will use this money for consumption expenditure. Now money will flow from household sector to household sector to business sector. This is known as money flow. First, money is flowing from business sector to household sector in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit. And household sector will use this money for consumption expenditure of goods and services. So money will flow from household to business sector. This is known as circular flow of national income. Outer circle product flow, inner circle money flow. Hope you all understood what is circular flow of national income of two sector model. This flow will be in a continuous process because in household sector human wants are never ending process. अपने जो human wants है वो कभी end नहीं हो सकते. Human want continuous रहेंगे. Human want continuous है तो business firm की production भी continuous रहेंगी. तो ये जो flow है ये भी continuous ही रहेगा. Thank you.